Hello there! In this video, we are going to solve multi-step equations in one variable. So we still have just one variable here. Alright, so we're gonna go through our steps here to remind us on how to do this orderly. So the first step, you want to simplify each side of the equation. So when simplify means you have to clear parentheses. Do we have parentheses on the left side? Yes, we do. So we have to use the distributive property to clear that. So you have two groups of 3x plus 4. So that means two groups of 3x is 6x, and two groups of 4 is 8. On the right side, it's already simplified because it's by itself. Now you are down to a two-step equations because you don't have variables on both sides. You only have a variable here on the left side. So now you will be working on step 3. You have multiplication and you have multiplication and addition. So first you will undo addition. You will subtract 8 from both sides. So 8 minus 8, that's gone. And then you still have 6x on the left side. 26 minus 8, that is 18. Now you have 6x, which means 6 times x. So you have to get rid of 6. You have to undo multiplication. You do that by dividing both sides by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1, and you still have x, so you have 1x or just x. And then 18 divided by 6 is 3. So x equals 3. So again, I'm just gonna do my check over here quickly. So x equals 3. To check, I will plug in 3 wherever I see x. So this is 2 times 3 times 3 plus 4. Does that equal 26? So you're gonna use order of operations. So 2 times 3 times 3 is 9, and then plus 4. Does that equal 26? So again, order of operations, the 2 is still there. 9 plus 4 is 13. Does that equal 26? Yep, 2 times 13 is 26 equals 26. So that means our answer is correct. Okay, problem number 2. So again, I'm going to go through your steps here. Do you have parentheses? No parentheses, no parentheses. Do you have like terms here? Nope. Unlike, unlike. So we're good with step 1. Next, do you have variables on both sides? Yes, we do. We have 6x's here and 5x's here. So what you want to do is you want to collect all the variables over to one side. So you want the smaller of the two to cancel out. Over here you have 6x's. Here you have 5x's. So you want the 5x's to cancel out. To cancel out, you have to use inverse operation. So this is plus 5x. So you will subtract 5x from both sides. You want to line it up under the x's because they are like terms. So on the right side, no more x's there because you took out all the 5x's. You only have 45. And then on the left side, you have 6x's. You're taking away 5x's. You're left with 1x. And then you still have the 15 over here. So your variable now is just on the left side. So now you will undo. This is 15 plus 1x. So first you undo that 15. How will you get rid of that 15? You subtract 15 from both sides. So 15 minus 15, that's gone. So this is just 1x or just x is equal to 45 minus 15 is 30. So x equals 30. So again, I'm just going to do my quick check over here. Make sure I got this right. To check, plug in 30 wherever you see x. So on the left side, I have 15 plus 6 times 30. Does that equal 45 plus 5 times 30? So again, to simplify, you will use order of operations. So 15 plus 6 times 30 is 180. And then 45 plus 5 times 30 is 150. So 180 plus 15 is 195. And 45 plus 150 is also 195, which means our answer is correct. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 more problems here. Okay, again, we're going to go through the steps. So on the left side, is this simplified? Nope, because we have parentheses. We have to clear parentheses by using the distributive property. Right now, you have 1/2 of 4x and 8. So you have to take half of each of these. So half of 4x is 2x. Half of 8 is 4. Then equals 20. This is already simplified. Do you have like terms? Nope. Do you have variables on both sides? Nope. So now you will just do inverse operation. You want x to be by itself. You have to cancel out 2 and 4. So first, you have to undo addition. So you will subtract 4 from both sides. So on the left side, 4 minus 4, that's gone. You only have 2x. And then 20 minus 4, that is 16. Now you have 2x equals 16. That is 2 times x. So to get rid of 2, we have to undo multiplication. We will divide both sides by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So you only have x on the left side. And 16 divided by 2 is 8. So x equals 8. Okay. Last problem. So same thing. You're going to go through here. You want to make sure both sides are simplified. Is the left side simplified? Nope, because we have parentheses. So we will clear that. We will distribute the 2 to each of these because you have twice of x minus 5. So 2 times x is 2x. And then 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. And then we're done distributing the 2. Now we will just bring down plus 23. Bring down the equal sign. Bring down negative 7. Do we have like terms? Oh yes, these two are like terms because they're both numbers. So I will bring down 2x. Remember, this is negative 10 because that minus, remember this, minus is the same as plus negative. So don't forget that. So I can change that minus to plus negative. So this is actually negative 10 plus 23. So you owe $10 and you paid back 23. You overpaid. You're gonna get some change back. How much change? 13 equals and then negative 7. Now, do you have variables on both sides? Nope, only on the left side. So right now you have to get rid of 2 and 13. You always undo the addition first, so you will get rid of 13 by subtracting 13 from both sides. So 13 minus 13, that's gone. Then on the left side, you still have 2x. Remember, negative 7 minus 13, that's the same as negative 13 plus, negative 7 plus negative 13. So what's negative 7 plus negative 13? That is negative 20. Okay, you're down to 2x equals negative 20. You want x to be by itself. You have to get rid of 2. What's the operation between 2 and x? Well, 2x, that is really 2 times x. So I can get rid of 2 by dividing both sides by 2 because the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So on the left side, 2 divided by 2 is 1. I only have x. On the right side, negative 20 divided by 2 is, well, we have different signs. When we're dividing, negative divided by a positive, that's negative. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. So x equals 10. All right. So that's how you solve multi-step equations. Copy this down into your notebook so this will serve as your guide when you are solving your equation. All right. I hope you find this video helpful.